8 cosmetic uses for salt you probably never knew about. Did you know that salt can help remove cellulite? If consuming salt can cause you to get cellulite, then using it topically can help to remove it. Salt is a condiment that has properties known not only in the food world, but it can be used aesthetically as well. Consuming too much salt is associated with different health problems, which is why it is currently recommended to use only limited amounts of salt in one's diet. The good news is that it has a lot of cosmetic uses as well, which are great alternatives that can be used without harming the body. Today we're going to share with you 8 of these tricks for the next time you go through your beauty routine. 1. Body exfoliator. Exfoliation is a very special skin treatment. It can be used to eliminate dead skin cells and other blemishes that form on the skin because of sun exposure and pollution. Salt is a 100% natural ingredient that replaces commercial exfoliants that have harsh aggressive chemicals. 2. Wavy hair. Natural waves will change your look, making you look more relaxed. It's not always easy to get these waves, and it almost always requires some sort of support to shape your hair. A salt water solution can create a natural spray for getting wavy, fresh-looking hair. 3. Getting rid of dandruff. Dandruff is the most common scalp problem around, and not only is it annoying, but it looks bad too. Coarse salt helps renew the scalp and also helps eliminate dead skin. 4. Tooth whitening. It's possible to eliminate yellow tooth stains with a bit of salt. The properties in salt help deep clean teeth and help eliminate stains that look bad. 5. Fighting acne. Acne is a skin condition that affects skin health, along with the self-esteem of whoever suffers from it. Salt's natural properties are able to keep skin pores clean and limit oil production. 6. Perfect nails. Salt's astringent properties also make a great solution for getting rid of that yellow or opaque look that affects the health of your nails as well as overall beauty. 7. Salt bath. Using salt in a bath is perfect for reducing inflammation and relaxing the entire body. By using a special sea salt you will be able to create a therapeutic bath to relieve tired muscles. Because of its high content of magnesium sulfate, salt creates an anti-inflammatory effect and helps get rid of calluses on the feet and hands. 8. Reducing cellulite. It's not easy to get rid of cottage cheese skin, but this ingredient is so cheap and easy to use, that it could be helpful. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.